birds. Oh, she's feeding the birds. So beautiful. Train station.
Other birds, the big birds, and the other are afraid of them because they are bigger and more useless.
Yeah.
You know,
So that-
they want have also some of them. So they
But
check
so
it out. They
that-
want her space. They show
the big
presents to the other little birds, and here also the small birds. They want also have some pieces. Yeah, but the other don't allow it.
So she just comes to feed them on her own?
Yes, because the big bird, you see the other bird is also coming.
No, I'm talking about the lady that
Yeah.
was feeding them. It's just a personal initiative.
No, she likes to give them because she loves birds. Maybe
That's really
it's
beautiful.
typically that some people have some seeds for the birds.
Wow, that's really nice.
And you see the bird on the rail? He check it out where he can took some, but then he flies there and the other small birds give him some space, you know. You see the other bird also on at the water there in the front. You see,
Yeah.
they want to have his own space. So get away. I'm bigger. I'm taller. If you don't, you get a bite.
But they almost finished the grains. There were so many grains that she put. Then they're drinking water from the other side.
Yes. Because after cereals,
You're thirsty.
yeah. Look, the white one.
It's actually brownish white.
You want to walk through?
No, I don't want to disturb them. Oh, Vasa. So is it for drinking?
No,
Drinken?
For drinking.
9?
You can't drink it.
They're gone.
You can't drink it. Because he knows
So the
people.
birds can come for the water here.